really great visualization. Perfect. And I add some specific notes to each visualization so you can improve your style as you go. I have more of a feedback on what questions you ask and how you ask your questions later. So first, sometimes I heard people suggesting. I heard asking for specific features or expanding or reducing the segment of users. You don't do this in our first meetings. You just repeating back what you heard and refining what you heard. You don't expand. So if you know design thinking, now in the early stages when exploring the problem space, and then you need to reduce the problem space, and then you can ideate and see whether you have other segments. For example, people ask about the fuzzers. I understand because of the ecosystem you want to portray, but it doesn't mean that you have to have feature in your app for fuzzers, right? So maybe you want to make sure state clearly, it's not ideating on features to expand your scope. It's about more understanding of an ecosystem that would influence the major user, which is mom of multiples. Make sense? Okay, so on this note, I like the clarification of the segment. I don't remember exactly what question was, but it was about maybe age or special treatments, or maybe that was a question about the journey when she went through IVF, but she didn't get pregnant with twins. Is she a part of the picture yet? Or she's removed from the picture. So it's more reducing the segment and reducing the scope. And that's what I want to see early stages when you're managing your projects. You want to make sure you're clear on the scope that the customer has shared with you. When you have flexibility, and then you can add features later. Remember the stages, discoveries and delivery? You making sure your first discovery is really tight, your MVP is really tight, and then you have flexibility to expand to different segments and experiment with the features. Make sense?